Welcome to Technology in the Future, where we explore the latest advancements in cutting-edge tech. Today, we're diving into some exciting updates that have captured the attention of drone enthusiasts. Across the world, the growing buzz surrounding DJI's next compact drone, the highly anticipated DJI NEO 2. The drone community is alive with speculation and enthusiasm as new whispers and early leaks begin to paint a picture of what DJI might have in store. For anyone passionate about drone photography, creative aerial filmmaking, or simply staying informed about the latest technology, this is the place to be. The DJI NEO 2, where the hype began, excitement really took off when a well-known drone industry insider hinted at the arrival of the DJI NEO 2. While the details remain unofficial, the timing and reliability of these early reports have made many believe something big is on the horizon. The simple phrase "NEO 2 is coming late 2025" was enough to set forums and social platforms buzzing. Given DJI's consistent history of developing drones that set new standards, it's no surprise that the NEO 2 is now at the center of attention. Many drone fans are now facing a decision: should they invest in the current DJI NEO, which is already a strong performer, or wait patiently for the next evolution? Revisiting the DJI NEO, a compact powerhouse to understand why the NEO 2 is such a highly anticipated release. It's worth remembering what made the original DJI NEO a standout in the drone market. The original model was a compact, lightweight drone that quickly became a go-to option for travelers, vloggers, and beginner drone pilots. Weighing just under 5 ounces, the DJI NEO was specifically designed for portability without sacrificing performance. Its 1/2-inch sensor allowed users to capture crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second, and the built-in smart tracking system provided an easy way to record cinematic footage with minimal effort. The drone's intelligent subject tracking, automatic follow modes, and hands-free control options made it perfect for content creators and adventurers who wanted to focus more on storytelling and less on manual piloting. One of its most unique features was the in-app voice recording system. This clever innovation let pilots record real-time narration using their smartphone's microphone while flying, automatically reducing background noise from the drone's propellers. It provided an incredibly convenient way for vloggers to capture voiceovers in sync with their footage, something rarely seen in drones of this size. The DJI NEO was also known for its ease of use. It could be flown directly with the smartphone or paired with DJI's optional controllers for more advanced handling. The inclusion of propeller guards and its ability to withstand moderate wind conditions made it accessible for beginners while still offering enough features to satisfy experienced hobbyists. The original NEO supported 12-megapixel photos, came with built-in storage, and offered roughly 18 minutes of flight time per battery charge. For many users, it struck the perfect balance between portability, functionality, and affordability. What could the DJI NEO 2 bring? Although DJI has yet to officially announce the NEO 2, the leaks and industry speculation suggest some exciting possibilities. Potential improvements in features, advanced obstacle detection. One of the most anticipated upgrades would be the addition of multi-directional obstacle sensors. This feature would significantly enhance safety, especially for beginner pilots and those flying in tight spaces. Longer flight time and extended battery life is another improvement users are hoping for. Increasing flight time beyond 18 minutes would provide more flexibility for capturing longer, uninterrupted shots. Upgraded camera system. We may see a larger sensor or a more advanced gimbal that improves stabilization and low-light performance, elevating video and photo quality even further. Smarter tracking capabilities. DJI continually advances its AI tracking technology, and the NEO 2 could introduce faster, more precise subject tracking, with improved prediction algorithms for dynamic movement. Extended range. An enhanced transmission system could offer stronger signal stability and longer flight distances, expanding creative possibilities for pilots. Improved storage solutions. Increased internal storage or support for microSD cards would address one of the limitations of the current model, giving users more space to store high-quality footage. Enhanced voice commands. Voice control could become even more sophisticated, possibly handling more complex multi-step commands for hands-free operation. The pricing and release outlook. Typically, DJI's new models come with a higher launch price, but as we've seen in the past, they often pack in enough improvements to justify the cost. That said, some users may find the current DJI NEO, especially if it becomes more affordable leading up to the NEO 2's release, perfectly capable for their needs. Since the current timeline suggests a late 2025 release, potential buyers have plenty of time to decide whether to purchase now or wait for the next generation model. However, launch windows can shift, And delays are always a possibility. If you wait, you might find yourself without a drone for longer than expected. Should you buy now or wait? If you're someone who loves to explore new places, create travel videos, or simply wants to experience drone flying for the first time, the current DJI NEO remains a fantastic option. Its lightweight design, user-friendly controls, and smart features make it ideal for beginners and content creators alike. And with potential price reductions on the horizon, it may soon become an even better deal. On the other hand, if you're the type who always prefers to have the latest gear, or if you're specifically waiting for advanced features like better obstacle sensing, extended flight time, or a more capable camera, it could be worth holding out for the DJI NEO 2. Regardless of what you choose, it's clear that DJI's compact drone series is moving in an exciting direction. Whether it's the current model or the upcoming upgrade, these drones continue to make aerial photography more accessible, portable, and enjoyable. Looking ahead, the future of compact drones. As we look toward the future, it's evident that compact drones are becoming smarter, safer, and more powerful with each new release. DJI is leading this charge by consistently pushing boundaries in design and functionality. The upcoming DJI NEO 2 represents another step in this exciting journey, offering new possibilities for drone pilots and creators everywhere. Here at Technology in the Future, we'll continue to keep you updated as more details emerge about the DJI NEO 2 and other groundbreaking tech on the horizon. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage, reviews, and the latest technology trends shaping our world. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.